For you, I've been gone like 0 seconds, but the phone died. Yes, my phone died while I was stretching this out. But luckily, I was at a part in the painting where I was having some trouble stretching out the paint. I'm done. I stretched it all out. I covered my sides. And yeah, just wanted to explain that a bit since the phone died, but I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I am loving these colors. And it's actually already starting to dry because there's not a lot of paint on the canvas, like at all. But check it out. I love the colors. Don't know how I feel about the composition yet, but I'm just gonna wait until it dries. So yeah, thank you for watching. Actually, I'm just gonna put this over here. But here's my dried painting. It's nice and dry. It's nice and flat. Here it is. Just wanted to show you what it looks like dry. It's completely flat. There's no texture or there's no like little chunks of paint that got trapped in the painting because I do strain my paints. So this is 100% flat and it's ready for its new home.